For today's video, Eva wanted to show us a very quick, easy and simple makeup you can wear to any fantasy festival. So Eva created the headpiece herself with real flowers, and that is the centerpiece of this face paint. So for the base, Eva is lightening her skin using a Meron Celebrate Pro HD foundation that was ivory bisque, and with the sable foundation and some sign language, she wanted to show us that there is gonna be a lot of shadows on the face, under the cheekbone, under the jawbone, the nose, the forehead, and of course the chin as well. When you use a cream-based foundation or a grease paint, you definitely need to powder it. So that is done with the setting powder by Meron. This is the color set powder. Intense powder by Meron in green to create a lovely eyeshadow with. And a bit of white intense powder as well, to lighten up the part just under the eyebrow, prosade and some false lashes to get it a bit curly. And a very light colored lipstick you can find in the Day palette by Meron. They have two palettes, a day palette and a night palette, and one is very light and the other one is very dark. Well, and with this lipstick, our fantasy event face paint has been completed. Well, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.